You want millions? It starts with changing how you think. Dreams alone won't pay. Action creates real wealth. Successful people learn while others waste valuable time. Money follows value. Build skills before chasing profits. Subcon skills can multiply your earning potential quickly. Solve bigger problems, and bigger rewards often follow. The internet lets one business reach millions of customers. Every large company once started with one small idea. Real wealth grows slowly through patience and consistency. Spend less today to invest much more tomorrow. Investing helps your money work even while you sleep. Long-term thinking beats chasing fast money almost every time. Rich schemes usually cost more than they promise. Failure teaches lessons winners use to improve every day. Your network can create opportunities. Money alone cannot. Small daily actions create extraordinary results over many years. Balance your time because every hour shapes your future. Your millionaire journey starts with today's next smart decision. Creators earn more by building things people actually need. Digital products can reach customers around the entire world. Content builds trust, and trust often creates business opportunities. Sell your skills first before hiring others to help. Happy customers become your best source of future sales. Clear goals keep your daily actions moving forward consistently. Track every dollar because numbers guide better business decisions. Saving wisely creates more money for future investments. Knowledge reduces mistakes, increases confident financial decisions. Build multiple income streams instead of relying on one. Great teams can achieve far more than working alone. Discipline matters even when motivation disappears for a while. Protect your focus because attention is your greatest asset. Never stop learning because markets constantly continue changing. Reinvest profits instead of spending every dollar you earn. Stay patient during setbacks because growth rarely stays smooth. Celebrate progress while keeping your eyes on bigger goals. Next, discover how millionaires multiply wealth over decades. Consistent investing often beats chasing the next hot trend. Own pieces of successful businesses, not just their products. Income-producing assets can generate money month after month. The goal is earning money from multiple reliable sources. Protecting wealth is just as important as creating it. Research carefully before putting your money anywhere. Choose future freedom over temporary satisfaction whenever possible. Learning from experienced people can save years of mistakes. Communication skills can open doors that money cannot. Measure your progress to stay focused on improvement. Scale successful systems instead of starting over repeatedly. Use technology to multiply your productivity and reach. Excellent service creates loyal customers and valuable referrals. Stickman remaining calm during a market crash while others panic. Daily learning compounds, just like long-term investing does. Every expert once started exactly where you are. Final steps ahead. Let's complete your millionaire roadmap. Success rewards people who stay committed through every challenge. Review your goals regularly and improve your strategy constantly. Smart decisions today create financial freedom for tomorrow. Build leaders who can grow your business without you. Think globally because opportunity exists far beyond your hometown. Use technology wisely to save time, increase productivity. True wealth includes health, relationships, and peace of mind. Giving back creates impact beyond financial success alone. Stay informed because markets and opportunities always keep changing. Your biggest obstacle is often your own limiting beliefs. Every small victory moves you closer to lasting financial freedom. Keep improving because success has no permanent finish line. Share your knowledge and inspire others to build wealth. Your future depends on the choices you make today. Consistent effort transforms ordinary lives into success. Remember these habits and repeat them for many years. Your millionaire journey begins with one decision and daily action. Subscribe now and start building your path toward lasting wealth.